Hello friends, welcome to another Java tutorial. Today we are going to learn about selection sort algorithm, one of the simplest sorting algorithms. Okay, I will walk you through the code step by step and explain how it works. So let's start. First of all, let's create a method swap public static swap. I'm giving the name of method as swap sst. Let's pass the arguments int array space array. Next argument is int large index, and the last one will be last last index. Method body. So take if condition and define if the indices are the same, no need to swap elements. Okay, if if large index if large index is equal to last index, then return. Okay, means no need to swap elements. Okay, save the code. Now friends, let's create an temporary variable temp to store the value at index large index. Okay, now friends, swap the value at last index with the value at large index. So write the code for that. Value at large index, swap the value at large index with value at last index. Correct the spelling. Okay, save the code. Now assign a temporary value to last index. Array last index is equal to temp, name of our variable temp. Okay, now friends, let's go into main method and create an array with name create an unsorted array with name num array. Okay, so I am creating num array which is unsorted. We have to sort this array using selection sort algorithm. So let's add the elements of the array: 55, 48, 12, 56, 8, 5, 69, 75. Just all the commas: 49, 48, 12, 56, 8, 5, 69 and 75. Save the code. Okay friends, so we have defined one integer array here with these elements. Okay, so friends, now let's create an for loop to iterate through array. For int int last index is equal to num array dot length minus 1, last index where last index is less than 0, and decrement the last index. Okay, just enter here q1, enter here and add the loop body. Initialize large index with to 0. Initialize large index to 0. Yes, I miss here void word, so add that word. Okay, okay friends. Now again write one inner for loop here. For int I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to last index. Increment the object as I. Increment I to the I plus plus. Take the loop body and take if condition here. If num array index of num array I is greater than num array large index, then update large index if larger element is found. So large index equal to I. And now friends, let's call our swap method. Swap SSP. Pass the arguments num array large index and at last last index. Give semicolon here. Save the code. Now write the enhanced for loop to print each number in the sorted array. So let's continue. For int num array, complete the loop body num plus space. Okay, now friends, let's run our code. Now friends, let's run our code, and we do have an output in the console, our sorted array. So this is our sorted array. So in this way we can use selection sort algorithm to sort our array. So this is all about the selection sort algorithm in Java. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel Code Jiffy. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video.